Alright guys, here's how you print to the PowerSpec Mini, which is our new small printer that we have. The first thing you need to do is look on your computer desktop and see if you have this icon. It's called PowerSpec Cura. This is different than a regular Cura. This is specifically for our printer. Looks like a big letter C, as you can see I'm pointing to right now. If you don't have that, do a quick search by going to your Start menu and then typing in PowerSpec Cura, and I'm putting it up on the screen right now so you spell it right. But if you don't have it, you need to stop watching the video right now, log out of your account, and bring me your laptop so I can install it for you, and then come back and pick up here in the video. Once you find that you have it, go ahead and double click to open it. And once it is open, you might be on what they call quick print. So if you just see very few settings over here on the left, you're going to want to go to the expert menu and click switch to full settings. You get a little warning, but go ahead and switch, and then I'll show you the things you need to change over here. Once you're in this, you want to go ahead and load your file, and you can do that in a bunch of ways, but one way here is just to click load and then open your file, and you can see where it appears in your work plane. And from here you can do things like move it around and rotate it, things like that. Here are the settings though that you want to change for sure. Under the basic menu, layer height, you're going to change that to 0.2. And then where it says platform adhesion type, you're going to want to change that to raft. And then that's really all you should need to change for this. Under advanced, there's really nothing for you to change. Everything should be good to go. Those are the two main things. So it's going to build a raft, and it's going to get your layer height at a good height that's going to make sure that it prints okay. It won't be the highest quality, but it'll be good enough. And at this point, you're ready to export your G code. So you're going to go to File, Save G code. Now here's the thing. You need to get one of the, what are they called? I'm drawing a blank. The SD card readers. That's what you need to get, an SD reader. Because you need to take that little tiny micro SD card from the printer, put it into the reader, and then plug this into your laptop. And when you go to save this file, save G code, okay, you should have under, yours will say My Computer, you should have a little external drive right here. So you can see I have, it's hard to say what yours will say here, but this is my external drive, and I want to save this onto this drive right here. Click Save. And then what you're going to do is take that micro SD card and put it into the printer and print from the printer. And I'll show you how to do that. But and if you have any questions about getting stuff saved onto that, just let me know. But I do want to point out it's very important that you go File, Save G code, not Save Model. Not Save Model, Save G code. You would do Save Model if you were halfway through getting your model ready to print, or you were ready to print but all the printers were busy. You would save your model and then come back the next day, for example, and open it and then save the G code. But it needs to be Save G code that you use. All right, that's it. So it's fairly simple software. The hard part with this one is getting it saved onto the SD card and getting it into the printer and things like that. But we'll get that taken care of. All right, good luck.